Anjuman Nahar, research scholar from the Department of Biomedical Engineering in Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. I am here to discuss in brief about my recently published paper, Advances in Cerebral Palsy, in the journal Recent Patents of Engineering. Cerebral palsy is a congenital disorder that occurs due to a non-progressive lesion in the developing brain, found to be occurring in almost 2.8% of every 1,000 live births. The injury can occur either in prenatal, perinatal or postnatal phase of life. However, most cases are found to be of prenatal causes. The biggest risk factor of this condition is prematurity and low birth weight. The consequences of the disease are abnormal movements, tone, balance, posture, speech, hearing, cognition, vision, etc. The review is based on a careful analysis of numerous research conducted on cerebral palsy from online databases like Google Scholar, PubMed, Science Direct, Web of Science, Cochrane, etc., which have served as the basis of statistical distribution. It reviews the causes of cerebral palsy, available treatments, and ongoing researches with the goal of providing physicians and researchers in the field of cerebral palsy with useful information regarding CP. For this, we have considered latest studies from last 5 years. Studies were identified through keywords, manual searching, and the desired inclusion and exclusion criteria. The objective study questions, inclusion criteria, and search approach have all been outlined in a thorough protocol. A combination of pertinent keywords such as cerebral palsy, management, technology, wearable technology, prematurity, and artificial intelligence has been used in this search approach. In the results section, we have found that diabetes and hypertension are the major risk factors of premature delivery. Infants with premature delivery are susceptible to hypoxia, ischemia, and oxidative stress, which can lead to inflammation in the brain. Inflammation, in turn, is a significant source of free radicals. The white matter of the brain is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress that can develop white matter lesions. These factors lead to hypoxia, ischemia, infections, decreased immune response, etc. Along with these conditions, if the brain receives less oxygen, the neuronal activities may fail, which may lead to serious complications like bronchopulmonary dysphasia, necrotizing enterocolitis, periventricular leukomalacia, intraventricular hemorrhage, and periventricular infarcts during the developmental period. And these causes may later contribute significantly to develop cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy can be predicted at a very young age with the help of some diagnostic modalities like MRI, cranial ultrasound, electroencephalography, neurophysiological examinations, machine learning, and deep learning technologies. In management of cerebral palsy, it involves a multidisciplinary team that can manage the adversities of each system affected as a result of injury to the developing brain. It is mainly focused on reducing spasticity, improving functions, reducing abnormal movements, and improving speech, feeding, vision, and hearing issues. The multidisciplinary team for management of cerebral palsy includes physicians, surgeons, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, and speech therapists. A new trend is a combination of traditional management strategies with advanced technologies like artificial intelligence, wearable robots, virtual realities, IMU sensors, robot-assisted gait training, instrumented assessment, and internet-based therapy games, making its way to enhance the effect of traditional therapeutic strategies. Several artificial intelligence modalities are patented for identifying and monitoring neurological disorders. Two of them mentioned here are United States patent titled Machine Learning-Based System for Identifying and Monitoring Neurological Disorders and System for Evaluating Infant Movement Using Gesture Recognition. In conclusion, several events such as hypertension, diabetes, infection in the developmental period, etc. may lead to brain damage. Prematurity is one of the main reasons for brain damage. It causes imbalance between oxidants and antioxidants in the fetal brain, which results in severe neuromotor, cognitive, sensory, and functional problems. The consequences of the injury depend on the time of brain injury. To counteract this imbalance, post-delivery stem cell therapy, free radical inhibition therapy, nitric acid inhibition therapy, stem cell therapy, therapeutic hypothermia are introduced. Pharmacotherapy, physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, and surgical procedures are used to treat the complications that occur due to cerebral palsy. Robotics, brain-computer interface, artificial intelligence, development of mobile gadgets, biomarkers, IMUs have served to improve outcome in cerebral palsy children. Future potential applications of this study are: further studies are expected as recent evidence indicates the need for smaller, portable and wearable devices that are easily accessible by end users and parents. Detailed research may be done on treatment at individual level. Further studies may be done to study improvement in brain plasticity through behavior modification and physical activities. Studies on wearable devices for rehabilitation may be conducted. Effectiveness of virtual reality systems on rehabilitation. I would like to thank my co-authors, Dr. Shruti Jain, Department of ECE, JP University of Information Technology, Himachal Pradesh, and Dr. Sudip Paul, Department of Biomedical Engineering, Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. I hope this video will be useful to all of you and you all liked it. Thank you.